Is your YouTube TV stream buffering or using too much data? Adjusting bandwidth settings can help you optimize video quality while managing internet usage. In this guide, we'll show you how to take control of your bandwidth on YouTube TV. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and sign into your account. Step 2. Access video quality settings. On mobile devices, tap your profile icon, go to Settings and GT, Video Quality Preferences. On smart TVs or streaming devices, open Settings and navigate to Playback and AMP, Performance. Step 3. Select a quality setting. YouTube TV offers different quality options to control bandwidth usage. White heavy checkmark auto adjusts video quality based on your internet speed. White heavy checkmark high, 1080p or 4K, best quality but uses more bandwidth. White heavy checkmark medium, 720p, balanced quality and data consumption. White heavy checkmark low, 480p, saves the most bandwidth but reduces video clarity. Step 4. Adjust quality for individual videos. To change quality for a single video, start playing the content. Tap the three-dot menu, More Options. Select quality and choose your preferred setting. Step 5. Optimize internet usage for better streaming. Use a wired Ethernet connection for more stable streaming. Limit background apps that consume bandwidth. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi to reduce data usage. Bonus tip: enable Data Saver mode in settings to automatically reduce bandwidth consumption while maintaining a smooth viewing experience. Stream without interruptions. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube TV optimization tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.